Why do 75% of Ontario parents choose tutoring services for their high schoolers? Because it works. Whether your child needs help in math, science, or English, we've got you covered. In Ontario, you have fantastic options like Kumon, Oxford Learning, and Mathnasium. These centers offer personalized programs that target each student's unique needs. Prefer one-on-one attention? Try private tutors through platforms like Tutor Doctor or SuperProf. Online tutoring is another great choice, especially for busy families. Websites like tutor.com and Chegg offer flexible scheduling and a variety of subjects. And don't forget, many schools offer after-school programs and peer tutoring, often for free. Tip time: encourage your kids to set specific goals and maintain a consistent study schedule. And remember, it's not just about grades, fostering a love for learning is key. So, Ontario parents, let's make this school year the best one yet. With the right support, your kids can achieve anything. To get a leg up, a lot of families seeking top grades learn course content in the summer for the following year. That way, anything they are learning during the school year is review, and it's much easier to get top grades. Summer learning programs like those offered by the Ontario Virtual School and local community colleges can be a game changer. These programs allow students to get ahead, reduce stress during the school year, and even explore subjects that pique their interest. Plus, summer learning can be flexible and fun, with interactive online courses and engaging projects. So why not turn those long summer days into a stepping stone for academic success? Whether through formal programs or self-study, summer learning equips students with the confidence and knowledge to excel. Remember, education is a marathon, not a sprint. Every bit of preparation counts.